Okay, so we're going to use the unlock the door feature on our phone. So this is pretty cool. Aww. Okay, this is a standard room at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's our bathroom. So there's no doors here, but double sink, all your H2O products, nice bathroom, tub shower, which is great. Room, very nice. Decoration. Okay, here's our mini fridge. And plenty of drawer space. And we actually have a view with some animals. Now this is nice for a standard view room because we've stayed here once before and had a Savannah view and saw 2 animals the whole time. So, and we actually got this one at a very great rate.